Molweni, kule video sofunda isigama. In this video we will increase our vocabulary. The first word we'll look at is and. And is translated as futhi. Futhi means and. If you are adding on when you were talking. Like for example, if you want to say, I am hungry and I am tired, you say, ndilambile, futhi ndidiniwe. The next word we look at is no. No is basically when you are saying someone and someone. So that and becomes no. Like, for example, you could say, Inga nomhlobo wakhe, Inga and his friend. So if and is followed by a person, then you use no to say and. If you want to say and followed by a thing, an object, then you say ne. Like for example, Inga nenja. Inja is a dog. Inja, a dog. So Inga nenja means Inga and a dog. Kwaye. Kwaye is basically the synonym for futhi. They are interchangeable. So you can say ndilambile, kwaye ndidiniwe. The next word is in. In is phakathi. Phakathi also means middle. The next word is I. I is ndi. Now, if you notice here, there's a dash next to ndi. That basically means that ndi can never stand alone. You always have to put the verb next to ndi. So, like for example, you can say ndiyahamba or ndiyatya. So it's ndi, and then whatever happens. But they are always one word. So ndi is always a prefix for something, which means I. So ndiyahamba is I am walking, and ndiyatya is I am eating. The last word for today is, or for this video, is me, myself. Me is mna. Mna. Mna is basically, that's basically what it means. Mna, me. But you could say ndim. Ndim means it's me. Well, it starts with I. Ndim, it's me. Have a great day, evening, night. Sala kabuhle.